All right, you're good to go.
All right. It might take 2 takes.
Hey, welcome to the Barbell. Welcome to Raw Barbell Club Clean Compendium. On today's video, we're going to be going over the clean 3 positions. I'm going to assume that you've already watched the snatch videos, considering these are meant to be after them. So, Andy, pick up the bar. So just like the snatch, we've got position 1, position 2, and position 3. Excellent work, Andy. Come back up to the top. We're going to go through the pull and maybe how to clean from those positions as well. So starting again, Andy's going to find position 1. Similar to the snatch, knees come forward, shoulders slightly in front, hips come down. From here, he's just going to extend up by coming onto his toes. Excellent. Come back down to position 1. Similar to the snatch, he's going to do a high pull, but instead of going all the way up to the nipple, he's just going to go up to about the belly button. So extend. Good. Elbows nice and high, wrists down. That's a good position. Okay. From here, if you're capable with a really light barbell, we can practice the turnover. Andy, go from extension to high pull. Excellent. And then drop under for the catch. Excellent. You can try this with that front rack that we showed you earlier, but try it with a broomstick, really light barbell. Andy's pretty strong and muscly, and that's why he's able to do it. So this time we're going to do the same thing. We're going to try and make it more fluid. Instead of pausing at the high pull, he's going to extend fully and land in the front rack into a full squat. Go ahead. Excellent, Andy. C+, and that's what we want. So now we're going to do a clean from position 2. So first, find position 1 again. Excellent. Find position 2, similar to the snatch. Chest comes forward, butt goes back. This is a really good position 2, but common mistakes is either having the shoulders too far back, knees forward, or the other way around, shoulders way too far in front. So the progression from here is going back to position 1. Excellent. Then the turnover. Excellent. Go back to position 1. Let's come down to position 2, but let's not pause at position 1 this time. Excellent. Okay, that's position 2 cleans. Now, we're going to go from position 3 or the floor. Andy doesn't have weights on the bar at the moment for convenience, but just get as close as you can when learning. So back up to position 2, and to get to position 3 from here, we have the same shoulder and hip angle, but we just squat down, letting the knees travel forward slightly. Good. Come up to position 2. That's using only legs, keeping that hip and shoulder angle the same again. Come up to position 1. Really good. Okay, let's go position 1, 2, and then 3 again. And then let's do a clean from there. Awesome. That's a great clean, Andy. So I really hope you enjoyed that video on the 3 positions of the clean. If you really enjoyed that video, drop a like, subscribe if you want, and share with all the friends that you have. Definitely.
Party, jump, party, bomb party, rooftop party, jump, party, bomb party, rooftop party, jump, rooftop party, jump, rooftop. Make it clap.